Hello, in this Python video we are going to look at implementing a label widget. So to do it, it's really simple. You just need two things. One is a string that you'll be putting in the label, and the other thing is, well, just the label widget. So first of all, get the string variable. So string var equals string var. Obviously it's case sensitive, that's the reason I can name it string var, and the actual object is called string var. And LBL will be our label. We'll do label. Window is what we're drawing to. Next, we specify the actual text variable equals string var. And now we need to do string var dot set. So we set the string here. So this allows us to modify it wherever, and it'll just update it. Pretty cool. Label text lbl.pack, so let's wrap it all up and run it, and there we go, we got a label. I know it looks very simple, but obviously once you start combining these UI elements and creating some like amazing interfaces with everything that you've learned. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.